Hello friends, welcome to Vidyut Tech. This is Sai Prakash. In this video, I would like to unbox solar retrofit of Luminous company. Friends, please watch this video till the end. In this video, you are going to learn what it does, how you are going to use it, where you are going to use it, technical specifications, warranty, according to solar estimation chart, how many square feet of area it is going to require, how many solar panels you have to connect, in what connection you have to connect, how much wattage of solar panels you have to connect, MRP, like that regarding this product. Friends, in our home, we are having normal inverter and normal battery. Whenever the power cut takes place, we are going to use them, that is normal inverter and normal battery, to run our load. Friends, as the solar power plant is going to save us electricity bills, we have a plan to go with the rooftop solar plant on the top of our house. Friends, here comes the question. Do I have to buy new solar inverter, new solar battery? No friends, you can just upgrade normal inverter into solar inverter by using solar retrofit without changing any existing wiring. Friends, in this video I am going to unbox Shane 3650 solar retrofit. Model is SRS 3650. Friends, you can use this in the shops, homes, banks, etc. Based on your requirement, you can go with that. Friends, this is having warranty of 12 months, that is 1 year. Friends, coming to solar retrofit 3650, okay, of Luminous company. Okay, friends, whenever 400 watts to 1200 watts solar panels is connected to the solar retrofit, you have to use the battery of 2 connected in series, each of 12 volts, so you will get the voltage of 24 volts. Okay, each battery is of 12 volts. As we have connected in the series 12 into 2, you are going to get 24 volts. Okay, whenever the wattage of the solar panels is 1000 watts or 1 kilowatts to 2.4 kilowatts or 2400 watts are connected to solar retrofit, you have to connect batteries, 3 batteries in the series. So 12 into 3, you are going to get 36 volts. Friends, this is according to solar estimation chart, SEC. Okay, friends, over here you can see battery, 2 batteries connected in series, so you will get 24 volts. Okay, whereas panel rating is of 330 watts. Okay, number of panels connected is 5, whereas connection, it defines the connection. 5 panels should be connected in parallel. Okay, coming to this 36 volts, that is 3 batteries connected in series. 3 into 12, you are going to get 36, where each battery rating is of 12 volts. Over here you can see 165 watts, that is solar panel rating, friends. Okay, 15 panels you have to connect. Friends, coming to the connection over here, 3S 5P means over here you have 15 panels. Okay, 165 watts each. Okay, in that I am going to take 3 panels. Okay, like this, and I am going to connect them in the series. Okay, like this I am going to form 5 sets. Okay, and I am going to make them parallel. Okay, if you want to know about this, please go to the previous video of series and parallel connection of solar panels in my channel. Okay, you can see the thumbnail on the screen, friends. Friends, this solar retrofit is useful for double battery and triple battery only. If you have gone with 4 batteries, this is not suitable. You can go with the another solar retrofit. If you want to know the details, please go to our another video. Okay, over here you can see 3 into 5, you are going to get 15 total panels. Okay, for getting the power, you have to multiply 15 times 165, you are going to get the power. Okay, whereas over here we have to multiply 330 times 5, you are going to get total power. Friends, square feet of area required is 200 square feet for this, whereas coming to this, you are going to require 300 square feet. Okay, This is according to solar estimation chart, friends. Okay, friends, if you have normal inverter and normal battery, if you want to upgrade normal inverter into solar inverter, you have to have solar retrofit. If you don't have this, you can go through the videos of solar battery and solar inverter in my channel for more information. Friends, for more details of this solar retrofit, you can go through the website link in the description below. That's our website, friends. Please go to that website for more details of the solar retrofit. Friends, here you can see Luminous company, Shane 3650 solar retrofit. Here you can see the warranty of 12 months, friends. That means 1 year. Here you can see logo, solar. Inside the box, solar retrofit will be like this, friends. Friends, here you can see the key features of Shane 3650 solar retrofit. Converts normal inverter to solar inverter. That is non-solar inverter to solar inverter. Manual selection for 24 volts or 36 volts battery system. 24 volts means 2 batteries connected in the series. 36 volts means 3 batteries connected in the series. Okay. Automated operation to utilize maximum solar power. Here you can see PV panel compatible from 400 watts to 1200 watts for 24 volts. 1000 watts to 2400 watts for 36 volts. Next one, easy to use and simple operation. Friends, here you can see manufacturing month and year 29 September 2019, lot number, item SRS Shane 3650, model 36 volts 50 amperes, DC voltage 36 volts, quantity 1 number, that means only one product will be available in this box. Here you can see dimension, friends, 288 cross 130 cross 205 in terms of mm, length into width into height. Here you can see MRP, that is maximum retail price of 8200, manufactured by Luminous Power Technologies Private Limited. Here you can see the address, friends. For consumer complaints, contact customer care executive at Luminous Power Technologies. Here you can see phone number, email, website. If you have any complaints or queries, you can contact through any of these. Friends, here you can see solar retrofit Shane 3650. Now I am going to unbox this, friends. This is going to convert normal inverter to solar inverter. Friends, here you can see the user manual, warranty card. Here you can see salient features from panel description like this. Voltage rating, LCD messages, fault messages, technical specification, suitable parameters, auto mode, PV charging, PV plus grid charging. Friends, here you can see Luminous company, Shane 3650 solar retrofit. Here you can see the LCD display, friends. Okay, if you want to go up and down, you have to select any of these. Okay, here you can see menu, friends. Okay, this is the front side of solar retrofit, friends. Now I am going to show you the back side. Friends, here you can see PV input MCB. Okay, this is having rating of 63 amperes. Friends, here you can see the heat sink. It is going to control the temperature, friends. Here you can see 4 terminals, friends. Okay, 2 for the PV module and 2 for the battery. Okay, here you can see positive and negative of the battery. Here you can see positive and negative of the PV input. Okay, friends, polarity should be maintained. Here you can see grid input for the inverter, LN, line neutral. Okay, grid input, line neutral. Here you can see 4 terminals. Here you can see earth symbol, friends. From this you are going to connect to the earth. Friends, coming to battery selection, you have to select manually. Follow me on the Instagram, friends. Friends, after knowing the detailed explanation of this product, I hope you don't hesitate to call to the number on the screen. If you want to buy this product or if you have any doubts regarding this product, please call to the number on the screen or you can WhatsApp also. If you have any feedback, please let me know, friends, so that it will boost my energy levels and make more interesting videos for you. If you want me to do review of other product, please let me know, friends, so that we will come up with that video. If you like the video, please do like, share and comment for the video and subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching the video, friends.